So here's attempt 2. Was able to get some rice coal from Tractor Supply. I already have my rig set up, and this was shown to me. What you do is you kind of form a tube with cardboard and put it in the middle, fill it with coal around it, and light it on fire and get it to burn from the bottom up. So this is going to be attempt 2 at working on my foundry. So I was able to take and get it lit and get some the aluminum that was in the crucible melted down with the coal. So it did work. Did take me 3 tries and looking it up on YouTube, so thank you HOJ Forge. But I did learn a few things about what I need to do to my forge and that setup. So I'm gonna go over that with you now. So I was able to melt down 2.5 pucks of aluminum. I still have some more in there. There's the hot coal because I dumped it out of there. But this air intake, I need to remove it and put a 90-degree elbow in it and put it at the very bottom, and then put a grate system in here and then patch that up because it was only heating from one side and it wasn't working out as well as I was hoping. So I did learn something, and yes, it did make a mess, which I will clean up here in a bit. So I will count this as a win, but there is a learning curve. So if you are planning on doing this with a Weber grill like I did, definitely make sure that the air intake is at the bottom and then put a grill or hole system on there. And so that's my next step, is to take and drill the hole, put a grate system down there so the coal doesn't fall through, and then patch the hole on the side. So, yay. Alright, thank you for joining me today on William's Adventures. Let's go on an adventure and learn something new.